Hey guys, welcome back. Today's project is installing fog lights for a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. So let's get started. Okay, before we get started, I want to show you the bulb that I'll be upgrading to. This is the LED lighting switchback from Lasfit. Now what it means by switchback is you can switch it between white and yellow. Now on the back, there's some information here. It tells you that it's an automotive grade switchback LED flip chip. They're 60 watt set, 30 watts a bulb. The lumens are 6000 K white and 3000 K for the yellow. And you have a 1-year warranty, and this package includes 2 LED bulbs. Now a closer look to here, this right here is your bulb number for the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Now I'm going to get this box open so we can see what's inside. So the first thing I see is a couple of very nice decals. You put them somewhere on your truck or underneath your hood. We have a product manual with valuable information about how to install your bulbs, and troubleshooting and facts and specs about your bulbs. We have 2 zip ties, and we have the bulb itself. Take a closer look. You can see that really nice LED with the 2 different colors. Nice aluminum body and a fan built into the back to keep it cool. We have the plug, and as you can see, this plug is reversible. That way if you plug it in and then the light doesn't light up, unplug it and just flip it and then plug it back in and it should work. So let's go ahead and get this installed and I'll show you how that's done. Now I've seen a lot of people on some different videos online on how to change these fog lights, and they seem to go underneath and pull everything apart. That's just not the case. There's a lot easier way to do that. Just open up your hood. And we'll be able to access them from right here, and one on this side from down in here. So on the driver's side, if you look down in there, you can see where the fog light's at. It's the one with the green wire heading to it. Pretty easy to access. Okay, so to remove the bulb, you first have to unplug it. You're going to grab the clip right here, push this little button in, and pull down. And it'll unplug just that easy. Now grab your bulb, turn it counterclockwise until it clicks, and then pull straight out. Now for the new bulb, you're going to push it into the opening, spin it clockwise until it falls into the groove, and then turn it until it locks into place, which is right there. Then we're going to take and plug it in. When you get them both together, it should click just like that, and now your new bulb is installed. Now before I take a zip tie and zip tie this up, I'm going to install the other side, and then I'll turn the lights on and make sure they come on. If they do not, or one does not, I will have to unplug this and just flip the cable around and plug it back in. Okay, so now onto the passenger side, which would be down in this opening here. And from here with the camera, you can kind of see it. It is right there. But it's still easy enough to grab with your hand. So let's get that one changed out. Okay, so we're going to reach down on the passenger side here, squeeze this clip, pull straight down, grab your bulb, turn it counterclockwise, and pull straight out. Take our new Lasfit LED bulb, put it in the hole, turn it until it locks into the grooves, and spin until it locks in. Make sure you grab your plug and plug it in. Once it clicks, then you know it's installed. Now before I zip tie this little box here, I'm going to turn the fog lights on and make sure that they both turn on. If one of them does not turn on, then I'll have to come back to that one bulb and unplug this and just flip the plug around and plug it back in. Okay, if you get your bulbs installed but they're sitting at an angle like this, you can simply grab the back of the bulb and just slowly turn it until it lines up to where the LEDs are pointing at a 3 o'clock and a 9 o'clock position. So I wanted to show you real quick a side-by-side comparison of the old stock bulbs compared to the new Lasfit LED bulbs. And as you can see here on the left side, it is much dimmer and more yellow compared to the right side of the new LED Lasfit bulb. Much, much brighter. Okay, now that I got them installed, we're going to turn them on. They should come up white, then I'll shut them off and turn them right back on. They should come up yellow. As you can see, they are a lot brighter than the original stock bulbs. Now I'm going to shut them off and then turn them back on, and now they're yellow. Oh, those are bright. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. They're pretty simple to install. I'm going to leave a link in the description to where you can find these bulbs. I think they're fantastic. I really like how you can switch them back and forth between yellow and white. And if you do end up getting some, let me know what you think of them in the comments. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.